Welcome to Miss Fooks' Phonics. I have created a series of videos to help you help your child in their early reading or phonics knowledge. You can use these videos for your own knowledge to support your child, or you may want to show them to your child to remind them of their phonics, or if you turn your volume off you could see which sounds they know. There are 3 phases in which children learn sounds: Phase 2, Phase 3 and Phase 5. First of all, here are the Phase 2 sounds. All children at this stage should be confident with their Phase 2 and 3 sounds. Here we go. A, B, K, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, U, O, N, O, P, S, T, These are the Phase 2 sounds.